Welcome to a demonstration of the pendulum period interactive illustration from SciencePrimer.com. The illustration explores the relationship between a pendulum's period as its length and the force of gravity acting on it is varied. Prior to running, the illustration needs to be initialized with the Set Reset All button. Once initialized, the main window shows a pendulum. The pendulum is made up of a small round weight called a bob, suspended from a pivot point by a string. The top left corner of the main window shows the planet the pendulum is on, the gravity on the planet in meters per second squared, the length of the pendulum, and its period. Initially, the planet is Earth, making acceleration due to gravity 9.8 meters per second squared. The length of the pendulum is half a meter, and based on these values, the period is 1.4 seconds. There is also a timer. This will show elapsed time once the pendulum is set in motion. Note the time shown in the illustration is virtual time, not real time, and will vary depending upon the computer being used and the position of the speed slider above the main window. The length of the pendulum can be changed using the pendulum length slider, and the acceleration due to gravity can be changed moving the pendulum from planet to planet using the planet selector. The pendulum can be used on Earth, our moon, Mars, and Jupiter. Changing these settings do not change the information in the main window until the Reset Pendulum button is pushed. Once that is done, the information in the main window updates. The swing button puts the pendulum in motion. The length of the pendulum and the acceleration due to gravity can be changed repeatedly using the Reset Pendulum button. Notice hitting the Reset Pendulum button also resets the elapsed time timer. By remaining on one planet and changing the length of the pendulum, you can see the proportional relationship between length and period. The shorter the pendulum, the shorter the period. A graph can be used by turning the Show Plot switch on below the main window. All of the length gravity combinations viewed since the illustration was started are shown. As additional combinations are tried, they are also added to the plot. The plot can be hidden at any time. And the data cleared with the Clear Graph or Set Reset All buttons. This completes the demonstration. Thank you for watching and enjoy the illustration.